How to log into your M&T Bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log into your M&T online banking account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and open up your browser of your preference and then search for M&T Bank login, or you can just search for M&T Bank. And here you'll find the official website. You can directly type in this URL as well, mtb.com. So go ahead and open up this link. And once you land on the official website, you will see a login option on the top side of your screen. Just tap on it. Now, once you land on the login portal, here you have two options. You can choose for personal or business account or commercial treasury center. So I assume you're just using your personal account. So here you'll just have to enter your user ID. And once that is done, you can just enter your passcode. And if you want the browser to remember your user ID so you don't have to enter it again and again every time you come back, you can just click on this box. And then from here, you can just click on login. And from here, you should be able to easily log into your bank account. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.